Hi guys, it's Brad here. I'm just sitting here, I ain't got much to do right now. Cousin's over here sleeping. Don't worry about whatever the heck's going on in the background. My mom and dad are listening, watching some movie, I don't know. But yeah, I ain't had nothing to do. But what I'm gonna do is here, I'm gonna show y'all how to build a Lego jet ski. The pieces you will need are these pieces. Just give me 1 moment, guys. You will need two of these pieces that are the opposite pieces, along with this Lego steering wheel. Have those together. You will need one of these, one of those with two of these on it, three of these, one of these, two of these, two of these brown ones, and a red one with a white 4x2 brick, and another one, and then a 1x4 brick, and two more 1x2 bricks. So what you're going to want to start with, you're going to want to start with this piece here. You're going to want to take this, place it right on there. Take this red piece here, stick it there to where it looks like that. Then what you want to do is, you want to take the green piece here, click it, place it on, and bring one of these pieces, the tan pieces on. Bring another tan piece, place it here, take this piece, place it on there, and then take the red one and place it here. Take these two, place them in right near the back. You're going to take the 1x4, place it right on top of the rear of it. You're going to take the 1x6s and place them long ways like this on both sides. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take these two. Hold on, guys, this fell apart. You take these two pieces, have them like this, place this on here, exactly like that. And then you're going to stick it on just like this. Then you're going to take this piece, place it here on this end. Take this one, place it here on this end, and take this one and place it here on this end. And then there you go. You have a homemade